When this body perishes, the indwelling self attains another body. It cannot be pierced by weapons, burned by fire, wetted by water, or dried by wind. It is invisible, beyond the grasp of thought, present everywhere, eternal, changeless, and unmoving. Knowing this to be such, give up your sorrow. Even if you think that the self is constantly being born and dying again and again, still, O Arjuna, there is no reason to grieve. For one who is born, death is certain, and for one who is died, birth is also certain. Therefore, you should not lament over this unavoidable truth. This entire universe was once unmanifest, then it became manifest, and in time it will again dissolve into the unmanifest. In this natural cycle of creation and dissolution, what is there to weep for?